Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, we will trace alphabets A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name pink, brown, red, orange, black, green, violet, light green, purple, blue, sky blue, and yellow color, brown color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, pink color, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, violet color, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, black color, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.